Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Nanda Wayu Tomo. My credit number 20.56.2094. I am from Teknika Delta Department. I give you to both explain tools and function. Let's go to video. Let's enjoy the video. First, adjustable pipe wrench is setable for fastening, loosening small size, thread pipe and damage hit both in award position. Second, ring slugging spanner. Ring case use workshop case not wrench the sired or first nut head of the bolt or nut the side of steel. Third, bolt cutter. Bolt cutter are hand tool cutting tools used to cut metals such as chains, bolt, wire and rod. Fourth, double open end spanner. The wrench generally has two ends. For example, 6 millimeters and 7 millimeters, 8 millimeters and 9 millimeters, and all that they release a bolt that first the size of the lock. 5. Open-ended slugging spinner. Slugging spinner is used to spinning and like tightening big size of bolt use hammer. 6. Adjustable wrench is used as easy tool for undetermined size of bolt and nut when immediate tightening is required. 7. Combination block and looking of its 0 mm servers last a head of a pay or a server and next hexagonal section of a head of nuts or bolts, while the lock of the you may want to use it to wet and fasten the nut with a rounded head. Next, 8. Pin puncher used to put out the pin after it moved the starting parts. 9. Cable or wire rope cutter. Its functional is to peel and cut cable and wires. 10. Cold seal cells. The primary function of scissors is to chop, chisel, and pierce object. 11. Single open-ended sponge. A wrench may be used to loosen bolts or film may wrench it lock. Ring cannot wrench the bolt of the nut. 12. Ring wrench. The function of the ring wrench is to remove and tighten the nut which has a round head and after. After these two video, next time. My video, see you next time.